Hi foodies, let's make some delicious coconut veggie rice. So we're going to be using some of these ingredients here. It's going to be some veggie seasoning. This is a Jamaica Valley brand. It's the first time I'm trying it, but trust me guys, the end result really good. I have carrot, I have unsalted butter, I have kale and thyme. There I have garlic, onion, scallion and bell pepper, fresh corn, and a whole Scotch bonnet pepper. So what we're going to do guys is just cook this in some butter. So this is the garlic, the scallion, the bell pepper and the onion. So just stir that around for a few seconds until it gets fragrant, and then we will add the other ingredients. If you want this to be vegan, go ahead and use your substitutes instead of the butter. And then of course we have some carrot. Stir that around for a few seconds, and then we'll add the fresh kale. I just cut it up really tiny. It doesn't have to wilt completely. You're just going to be stirring it a little bit. Add in the fresh corn. You can use canned corn if that's what you have. And you're just stirring these around just to coat them with the little bit of butter that's in the pan. And then we're going to be adding coconut milk and water. Okay, you can use half and half, you know what I mean? You can use half water, half coconut milk, or you could use more coconut milk. And then I'm going to add some fresh thyme and some allspice berries along with 1 small bay leaf. And then here comes the seasoning. You can add salt and pepper to taste. If the seasoning you're using is pretty salty, then of course you can leave out the salt. Now I'm going to be adding some green seasoning. That's a blend of herbs, and then just stir that around, give it a taste, make sure you're satisfied with it. Add pepper, add salt, add more seasoning, whatever you like. And then when it comes up to a boil, we're going to add the Scotch bonnet pepper and the washed rice. I'm using parboiled rice today, so I rinsed it several times, and then I'm just going to stir it in. Then we will cover the pot and let this cook for 20 to 25 minutes. After the 20 to 25 minutes, you can fluff this up. If all the water has evaporated, you are good. Fluff it up, take out those thyme sprigs and your Scotch bonnet, and you can serve it up. Or you can cover it up off of the heat and just let it continue to steam if it needs to. Then you are good to go. That's it. Super simple coconut veggie rice. It's so simple as far as the ingredients, but the taste so good. Really good, guys. Give it a try. Let me know if you add any other ingredients when you try it. See you next time.